So what can you do to fix if you're not being able to hear video sounds on Instagram? Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimu from The Solution Guide, and in this guide video I will show you a couple of ways on how you can fix if you're not being able to hear sounds of videos on Instagram. But before we get started, as always, if you are new to our channel, make sure to leave a like, hit the subscribe button. Without any further ado or delay, let's get started with today's video. Now let's say that you opened up a new account on Instagram, you're scrolling through Instagram as well, but you notice that you're not being able to actually go ahead and listen to any of the video sounds which you have. For example, if I just go ahead and then open up a random video on this particular case over here. So let's say that this is one of those videos on which I'm not being able to hear or record any type of sound. Now you might have noticed that Instagram is not directly going to play sound to you, because if you look closely at the bottom right hand side of the screen, you'll find still volume icon, which means that if you've been trying to go ahead and then watch sounds and listen to sounds on TikTok, this volume icon could have been muted. All you have to do is tap on it in order to enable the sound, and you can see that the slash icon or the cross out icon has basically been removed. On another occasion, it could also mean that your own device's respective sounds is actually set to silent mode. So check whether or not your phone is on silent mode. If you're on iPhone, you could have a toggle on the left hand side, which is basically a switch in order to switch between silent and then unsilent mode. But on Android, you just have to go to the volume panel itself like this and just go ahead and see whether or not you have turned on media sounds, not the call sounds, not the ringtone sounds, but the media sounds. Make sure that it has been set. If this still does not help solve the issue, it could also be happening due to the application bug and not necessarily with the settings on your Android smartphone. So what we will do is we will just go ahead and then open up settings on our phone. Once you open settings, go to the option called apps. If you're on iPhone, try to go to general, go to iPhone storage and offload the Instagram app and reinstall it again. But for Android users, on the list of these applications, just search for the application called Instagram. Once you search for Instagram, go to the option called storage and clear cache. If possible, also try to clear the data, but keep in mind that you're going to lose all of your data because this is going to reset the application. And last but not the least, what I would recommend you do is just go ahead and then open up the respective app store. In the search box, type in Instagram. Once you type in Instagram over here, check whether or not the Instagram app has an update available. If it does have, update it to the latest version, and if it still does not fix the issue, I can offer you an alternative solution only for Android users though, and that is that instead of using the Instagram version, you can try to go ahead and use a light version of Instagram, which is basically called Instagram Lite. This is also the official application by Instagram app themselves, so there's really no need for you to worry about the third-party ones. But hopefully this video helped answer the question as to what you can do if you're not being able to hear sounds on Instagram. We hope the video was really helpful. If it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you've got any more questions, queries or doubts, make sure to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.